new family, we're back again with the collab hosted by Momdas Handmade. And it's also going to be co-hosted by Michelle's Cozy Home. I hope you guys take a moment to check out the playlist. The ladies are very talented. So today's DIY is actually a useful DIY. Today, we're going to be making an item that's useful. I want you to leave me a comment down below to figure out exactly what I'm making. So here we are cutting the closet door down to 33 inches for the one side, and we're going to do the same to the second door. And here are our brace pieces. We're cutting it down to 4.5 inches at a 45-degree angle on both sides. And this is our final cut list here. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. Awesome. Now that we have our pieces cut, we're going to grab our Gorilla Glue and get started. So here we're just wood gluing our brace piece and putting it down first. I would highly suggest that you put on the legs first and then put on the braces, because take it from me, it ended up being the best solution in the end. I had to take everything apart and redo it again. Here I'm putting on the side pieces for our item that we're building. I'm not sure if you guys have decided what I'm building just yet. I would love to see your comments as you're watching to see whether or not you're changing your opinion. I just like to know what you guys are thinking as this is happening, because I'm always trying to figure out what exactly is it that they're doing before it's actually complete. Have you figured it out yet? I would love to know. I'm just showing you to fix a product, you clamp it down and put some wood glue on it and just let it sit as you continue with the project.
So you picture on my timeline. So you picture on my timeline.
As you can see, we do a lot of screwing on this project. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you are the one to decide exactly what this is. I'll give a few hints. I left a message for you guys in another video that this project was coming. Do you know which video that was? It's so satisfying to see a project come together. We're getting down to the final details. I hope you guys didn't fast forward. This was fun to see what you guys thought. And here's the final project. It's not quite complete because we still have to put some paint on it, make sure that we seal the pieces together with a little caulk to make sure it's all the same, and then we're just going to continue on from there. But I definitely think it's coming together, and I'm going to show you right about now my inspiration. So this item was out of stock, and I really liked the white one, but the brown one was the only one that was in stock. And that was a no-go for me because it wouldn't have matched anything in my home.
So you picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline. Over, went for hours by my timeline. So you picture on my timeline.
So let me know, did I do a good job, or was this definitely a fail at the attempt to recreate my inspiration? I would love to hear from you guys, and multiple comments throughout the video is always welcome. I enjoy talking and chatting it up with you guys down below. Thank you, and I want you guys to have a beautiful, healthy, safe day.